Welcome to Morrison Homes, and welcome to your new home. I'm JD, the warranty tech. I'd like to take you through and show you how to maintain your home. Light bulbs. You might have a burnt light bulb in one of the glass globe light fixtures that you have in your home. I'm going to show you how to take that globe off the light fixture so you can get at the bulb. First of all, get a good sturdy ladder. Then, reaching up, you're going to see 3 tabs. One of these is actually on a spring, the other 2 are fixed to the fixture itself. Carefully feel around and you can find out which one is actually the spring loaded. Then push the globe in the direction of the spring, and then the fixture comes right out. Then you have access to all the bulbs. Putting it back in, the spring loaded one, start with the lens on that first, then slip it into place to the other fixed tabs. And there you go.